how to start this video, but I have garlic in the ground. I don't know how long it's in, but it's long, and one is damaged. Now I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. So this is the damaged one. I just moved the mulch. I'm gonna take it out now, and nothing. It's a good thing I didn't take everything out. So today I'm choosing a sacrificial spinach plant to see if there are still slugs in my garden, and I've chosen one. So this is the one I chose. Good luck, buddy. So the sacrificial spinach is in next to my onions. I'm not sure if you can see, but they're very small. There's one. This is my cauliflower and broccoli bed with onions, and this spinach. This one, that spinach. Not the only spinach, but that spinach growing since last year. This broccoli, I'm gonna let go to seed because I mean, if it's gonna give you seed for free, why not? And then this is my borage. This seeded itself and it's big. This is three. This one, right? I'm showing you right now. This is one, and then this one on the left is a bit shorter, and then there's this one, all self-seeded. This one is big. I'm gonna cut it back today. So the sacrificial cauliflower is doing good. It's in about 2 days. Doesn't look to have any bites, no changes, nothing. It's good. So seeing that the cauliflower is doing good, I'm gonna go ahead and transplant these three. So here they are, transplanted. There's the first one I transplanted. It survived 2 days ago, I think. 2 days, no bites, no nothing. It's fine. Survived the night. Hopefully these guys make it too. I'll show you the others. I planted in February, I think. These ones I planted in February, and it's July now, and starting to make the cauliflower. Let me see if I can show you. It's difficult with one hand, but there it is. Small cauliflower. It's coming. I like how the leaves wrap up. My onions are not looking good. They have this. I think it's from overwatering. So for the next 2 weeks at least, I won't be watering anything. This broccoli, I told you I'm keeping for seed. It's starting to spread out now. Looking nice, man. I said I'm going to cut this borage. I took a few branches off. I'll show you now. 2 branches cleared up this whole space, this entire space. It don't look that big on camera, but it is big. Thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.